Hi, what affects stock market? And does external things affect stock market? And the most simple answer for the second question is yes. External things do affect stock market. And what affects stock market? That is what we are going to see in today's video. Please share this video with your friends so that they will also know what is stock market and what affects stock market. Should they invest in? And let them learn something about it. And if they had lost money in stock market. And thanks for watching this video live, and if you're watching the recorded version, thanks for you too, and you can share this video with your friends to let them know about stock market. And thanks for overwhelming response on the last video about stock market and should it really move upwards. So last time we saw why it should always move up. This time it's reverse. Like what affects stock market so that it is going down, why it is going down. And if you're someone who is like tensed up and say that what should I do if stock market goes down, and should I take my money out, and you're so much worried, like I just invested a few lakhs of rupees and I lost a couple of thousands and few thousands already, and should I continue investing or should I take my money out and loss, and then if I take my money out I'll never come back to the stock market, then this video is especially for you people. Please watch this till the end. So yes, external things affect stock market, and because of that it goes down. And why it goes down? Because sometimes it goes very up and beyond technically, like it shouldn't move up beyond a point, but still there is a lot of demand, people jump and people invest a lot, retailers, foreign institutional investors, everybody wants to invest in Indian stock market. It goes up a lot, and then once it starts, people realize that it has gone beyond a technically beyond a point. For this price, for this money, what I'm putting in the stock market is huge. Let me wait till it comes down. For example, you want to buy an apple and it costs a hell lot of money, and you think that okay, this time let me not buy apple, let me go and buy orange. And in stock market scenario, let me not buy into Indian stock market, let me go and invest in Vietnam or Malaysia. Like they are still emerging, so the potential is huge in that also. They will go there. So then it may affect. So till 3-4 years back, India was dependent on foreign institutional investors. Whenever they feel that India is good to grow and they feel confident about India, and apart from all other countries in the world, they'll just pour in the money, and if there is anything better available across the world, they'll just take their money out. So whenever they put in and take out, there will be a huge fall, huge upward movement in Indian stock market. This was a scenario 4-5 years back. But in the last 3-4 years, Indian retailers, everybody started investing through mutual funds. So many people started investing in Indian stock market. So irrespective of foreign institutional investors, domestically, we are as an Indians, like through mutual funds, through pension funds, through NPS, through ULIPs. There were so many avenues created in the last 5 years, and all these started pouring in money in the Indian stock market. So it started growing. So because of that, our stock market has gone like anything. So even today it was like very flat and stayed around plus 38,000 in Sensex, so in BSE. So this was the range, like because of money pouring in, automatically stock market is at a flat level. It's in the range, same range alone. So and let's take an example of small cap stocks. So last year it was like small cap funds and mutual funds had given returns like anything, and all the small cap stocks, if you had chosen a better one, it would have given more than 100% returns within a span of 1 to 2 years. So that is a huge returns, 100% returns. So people are like, you should have invested in small cap and you would have made money like anything. And they ignored large cap stocks. But what happened in the last 6 to 8 months is that small caps started correcting like anything, because there was a huge demand, so much money got poured in, so much irrespective of the company valuation is very low. Company is worth only 100 rupees, but the valuation in stock market is around 1,000 rupees. That is the value people started pouring in, expecting the growth to go. But actually every quarter company provides results, and during that time it didn't satisfy. Company is still worth around 100 rupees only, but it is valued around 1,000. Many of them started booking profits. And if you had invested when the market has gone, when the stock has gone up to 1,000, and you are waiting for the company to grow to 1,500 stock value of a stock, then you would have burnt your finger. Already stock had corrected like anything, 20-30%. Now you are like, should I wait, should I come out? Should I book loss? Should I be in stock market at least a year after? Or so much confusion, right? So if you are in this kind of situation, don't worry, just look at management, what is the stock, and if it is a small cap stock, it's better to take a call by yourself, like analyze everything. A better choice would be take a contrarian approach. If small cap is falling, invest in a now you could have invested in small cap because everything has corrected like anything. In the last 6 to 8 months, large cap stocks, people felt that it's not going anywhere, but in the last 6 8 months, large cap has given huge returns, which I meant as top 30 companies in Sensex. So it's really sometimes, unless you follow the market, unless you follow, best site to follow the stock market is moneycontrol.com or Economic Times. I follow Money Control, so it's easy to understand, and they provide clear results on why you should buy, and never follow those rules if you're not clear on how the company results are going to come, and if you're not following any management, never follow the results. And they may declare that stock is going to go up by 25%, but it may go up only by the year end. But you would have invested now and stock would have corrected by 15-20%, you will be in panic mode. So don't buy. So take time to analyze. If, and even now, if you're not clear like why should I invest, then don't invest in stock market. The best example is like Warren Buffett used to say, he was not clear on Apple until a year ago, so he never invested. In the last 20-30 years, he never invested in Microsoft, he never invested in Apple, just because technical stocks are not his cup of tea, and he just stayed away. Thing to remember is Bill Gates is close friend of Warren Buffett, but still he stayed away. So that is a conviction he has on technical stocks, so he stayed away because he doesn't understand. So if you're not understanding stock market and still you want a passive income, this is not your cup of tea. Please stay away. Instead of losing money, just give it to someone else or just pass it on to me. So if you want to make money, analyze, follow stock market, take time to read some magazines like Outlook Money, which provides a better understanding on stock market. This is the magazine I followed when I started learning about stock market, and which increased my curiosity towards it. And one paper to follow is Economic Times, so that you get every updates and every basics of stocks and how this company announces the results and everything. And what are the external factors that may affect stock market is in Jan-Feb, it was like US and China were having a trade war. Like US were forcing tax on all the Chinese items, and China was reciprocating in the same way, and the whole world was like, if they are going to go on like this, everything will get affected. Then both the presidents started talking together, and now it is at a pause. And one more thing is Trump and Korean president, and they were having a war of words last year, and finally it was cooled off. So it was like one mini war was going to come up, and they stopped, and then the market again started moving. So these are the global conditions which may affect. And if there is uncertainty in US, if there is uncertainty in European market, and these are grown developed markets, if there is an uncertainty there, it will affect all the emerging and developing economies and the stock market. And apart from that, if there is a local election, if there is a change in government, if there is uncertainty in monsoon, all these things will affect stock market like anything for a while. And this is the time people make profit. If you are a long-term person, like 3 to 5 years, if you want to create wealth, use those opportunities to invest more money during that time. And one thing finally I just want to say is what Warren Buffett says: when everyone is greedy, be fearful. Be fearful when everyone is greedy. When everyone says that stock market is going to up and this is where you need to put in your money, just stay away. Don't worry, your time will come. You can make money during that time. And when everyone says that, when everyone is fearful, just invest blindly, and then you will start making money. Blindly in the sense after analyzing. So everything is conditions apply when it comes to stock market. So hopefully this session was sharing was useful for everyone. And if you have any other doubts with respect to why it is going down and should I continue my investment in stock market, please feel free to share it with me, and I will be happy to help you. And One more thing, this is one of the leaks which may happen. When I started doing Facebook advertisement for my next week's workshop on March 30, which is called Money Leaks, everybody started asking, I lose money in stock market, will your workshop be helpful? See, money leaks can happen in anywhere in investment, savings, insurance, and debts, and whatever, and lifestyle. So these are the 5 leaks which I say. And stock market is just one of the investment product where your money may be leaking like anything. So on that workshop, we will help you in understanding how to invest wisely, so that you don't get stuck with stock market alone. You will have ways to find which is a product to identify, which is the products to choose, and how to save how to save millions of money. What are the strategies used by millionaires, and goal-based investing. Why that is the only thing which will be helpful for you. So these are the things, and it's a very basic personal finance workshop. It will be really helpful, and it's happening in Chennai in Express Avenue Mall E Hotel. So if you're not at register, please, I invite you to register. There is a link provided below in the section. Please share this video with your friends so that they can also register. And hopefully this will be an eye-opener for you in knowing about personal finance. It's basically an awareness session which I want to create for people. And this is part of my mission of reaching millions of people and creating true financial freedom for each one of you. So be part of that, and I'll be happy for you. So thanks for watching till now. See you again in yet another video. If you have any doubts, just put in the comment section or message me privately. I'll be happy to share in a separate video session on that topic or to you privately. Thanks for watching till now. See you again. Sure. Thank you.